The Stoics practiced 5 daily habits that kept them unshakable through the worst life could offer. Marcus Aurelius used them to rule an empire. Epictetus used them as a former slave. Here's what they did every single day. Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, Seneca, they lived through the worst life could offer, yet they remained calm, purposeful, and free. Their secret wasn't luck, it was discipline. Today, we're exploring the 5 core habits that made them resilient and how you can adopt them starting now. Let's break down the 5 habits. Habit 1. Practice the dichotomy of control. This is the foundation of Stoic resilience. Epictetus taught that some things are up to us, our thoughts, our actions, our responses, and some things are not. Other people, the past, the future, outcomes. The resilient person focuses only on what they can control. They let go of the rest. This isn't passivity, it's power, because when you stop fighting what you cannot change, you reclaim all your energy for what you can. Habit 2. Reframe obstacles as training. Marcus Aurelius wrote in his Meditations that the impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Every difficulty is a chance to practice virtue. Patience when tested, courage when afraid, wisdom when uncertain. Resilient people don't avoid challenges. They see them as the gym for the soul. Habit 3. Pause before reacting. Seneca warned that anger and impulsive emotion destroy more than any external enemy ever could. The resilient person creates space between stimulus and response. They breathe, they observe their first impression, then they choose how to act. This pause is where freedom lives. It's the difference between being controlled by life and directing it. Habit 4. Accept what is without complaint. The Stoics called this Amor, Fati, love of fate. Not because everything is good, but because resisting reality only adds suffering. Emotional resilience means saying, "This happened, now what?" Not "why me?" Not "if only," just "what now?" This acceptance doesn't mean you give up. It means you stop wasting energy on denial and start using it for action. Habit 5. Reflect daily. Every Stoic philosopher practiced daily reflection. Seneca reviewed his day each night. Epictetus taught his students to examine their judgments. This habit keeps you accountable. It reveals patterns. It sharpens your mind. Resilience isn't built in moments of crisis. It's built in moments of quiet reflection day after day. So, here's what we learned. Practice the dichotomy of control. Reframe obstacles as training. Pause before reacting. Accept what is. Reflect daily. These 5 habits aren't mystical. They're practical, and they work because emotional resilience isn't a gift. It's a discipline, and discipline is something you can start building today. If this resonated with you, let me know in the comments which habit you'll start practicing first. And if you want more Stoic wisdom applied to modern life, consider subscribing. There's always more to explore. Stay steady.